What's up guys, my name is Charles and today I'm going to give you a little bit of information about the 2019 Nissan Kicks. So the first thing I'm going to show you is down here, but behind the grille, you have a forward collision warning sensor. What this is going to do is it's going to let you know if you're getting too close to the vehicle in front of you. Also, if you're about to get into an accident, it will apply maximum braking pressure to avoid you getting into a rear collision. Please don't try it at home, it's for emergency use only. Next thing I just want to quickly touch on is the Nissan V-shaped grille. It's unique to Nissan and it helps them stand out in the automotive community. So if you want to come on over, let's take you inside the car here. So, next thing I want to talk about is the blind spot warning features on the Nissan Kicks. So what it is on the 8 pillars of your passenger door and your driver door, you have a little light here. This light illuminates orange when someone is in your blind spot. If you do signal well, this is illuminated orange. You're going to get a quick audible beep 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 that lets you know someone's in your blind spot. Next thing I want to talk about is at the back of the vehicle here. We have our lovely cargo space. So if you are with your family that needs a lot of stroller space, or if you're a young adult and you're going on a road trip with a friend, you can fit a few backpacks, a few duffel bags back here. As well as you can see, we have a 60-40 split and the seats fold down as well. And the Kicks SR and SV models also do come with the rear cargo cover, so you won't have anybody break your windows for your expensive stuff in the back. As we go along the driver's side here, just want to touch on the nice 17-inch chrome finish wheels that we have here for Nissan Kicks. So the first thing you're going to notice on the interior of the 2019 Nissan Kicks is the black leather with the orange stitching and the speaker located in the driver's headrest. These provide the driver with a surround sound experience while cruising around the city. Next thing I want to touch on is your 7-inch touchscreen display, which will give you access to things like Bluetooth, radio, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. I'm going to go a little more in depth with those things on the test drive, but you can also control those from your steering wheel. The last thing I want to touch on the interior are the heated seats, which have 2 settings, high and low. All you have to do is tap them twice, and the push button start. I think it's about time we go for a test drive. Alright, so we're going to put into reverse here. We're going to leave. And that beeping there, that's your rear cross traffic alert. So even if you're not able to see, the vehicle will recognize that there is a vehicle behind you. Okay, so we're just taking a drive on the Queensway here. And I'm gonna move to signal over into my left lane. That beeping there is the feature in 2019 Kicks with the blind spot monitoring. So now it's letting me know that I do have a vehicle to my left and to take extra precaution when switching lanes. As you can see there, that was the forward collision warning, letting me that the vehicle in front of me is stopping and I was getting a little too close, so it did engage the brakes for me. Alright, so now that we're back at our destination, we're just going to put into reverse and back into our spot here. As you can see, we do have the one backup camera on the left, and on the right side we have the all-around view camera, which gives you a bird's eye view of your car with 4 cameras around the vehicle to show you that you are in the lines of your parking spot. Also, if you are parallel parking on the right side, you do have a camera button, which will initiate your all-around view camera, and then you are able to hit the camera button one more time and it will change your right side view of your car. So here you can see the curb if you are parallel parking or anything close to the right side of your vehicle. Okay, Nissan family, I'm going to show you how the BOSE personal space is integrated into the 2019 Kicks SR. So on the bottom right hand side of your screen, you're going to see a settings button. Then you're going to see the sound icon here on the left side. Then you can see personal space BOSE. You're going to click on that there. So you can see right now I have it all the way to the left, which means all my music is coming throughout the speakers all the way throughout the car. If I wanted to use my BOSE personal space, which is integrated into that headphones into my headrest here, I would just go all the way to the right. And then that would put the music just through my headphones so I can have the surround sound feel while cruising by myself. Alright guys, I just want to show you how the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is integrated into the 2019 Nissan Kicks. So once you have your device plugged in, you want to go to the Apple CarPlay menu on the bottom left hand corner, and here it shows you all the icons that are on your phone, as well as it shows you can use your iPhone Maps, and it's also integrated with Waze and Google Maps as well. So if you do want to make a call, you would just hit the phone icon.
Who do you want to call?
Sherway Nissan.
Calling Sherway Nissan. Home.
right? And then it will make the call to your desired user. Also, you are able to send text messages, and I'm going to give you a quick example here.
Would you like me to read your messages or compose a new one?
New message.
Who do you want to send it to?
Mom.
What do you want to say?
Hi, Mom. How is your day going?
Your message to Mom says, "Hi, Mom. How is your day going?" Ready to send it?
Send, please.
Okay, it's sent.
Right. And that is how the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is integrated into the 2019 Nissan Kicks.